welcome back, guys. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to install these wind deflectors onto the Highlander, and they are from Spec D Tuning right there. So it is a 4-piece. Looks shiny black, and we'll be doing that today. Should take no more than about 10-15 minutes, guys. We're also going to hit it with some wax and tar remover. If you don't have this, maybe you can use rubbing alcohol. But the car is clean, so just to avoid any of this double-sided tape right here not sticking, I'm just going to hit it with some wax and tar remover. Alright guys, we'll catch you right back. Alright guys, so we're going to be putting it right here. Oh, there's bird poop. So what I like to do is mock fit it first. And it does fit before you actually take off the double-sided tape. Alright guys, here's the finished product here. Everything actually fits pretty well. It was very simple to put on. That's what it looks like there with the handles. This is the driver's side, guys. Just pushing in just one more time. The fitment actually was really good. There's no gaps or anything in between them. And that's the side view there. Again, guys, I use this to clean around the windows, and the wax and tar remover works real well. You could use rubbing alcohol if you don't have it. I do apologize for not filming the application, but it is pretty simple. Just test fit it like I showed you in one of the clips, and just push it on. Just make sure it's lined up before putting it on. Sometimes the double-sided tape doesn't let you take it off to readjust because it has a strong adhesive. And that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple process. Should be no more than 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. And I'll catch you on the next video. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, share. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks.